Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. The steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, after you open your Instagram, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. So tap on this menu at the top right side. Now scroll to down and tap on this creator tool and control this section. In this section now scroll all the way to down and tap on this section where it says switch account type, this one. Under this account switch account type, all you have to do now, tap on this switch to personal account. So now as you can see, tap on this switch to personal account again. Now allow it to finish loading. As you can see now it's loading at the top right side. So as you can see now, after it finish loading, it will take you back to this session. Now all you have to do now, tap on this back arrow to go back. So as you can see now my account has turned back to personal account. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.